Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, honestly I'm just getting ready. I'm going out tonight with my girls and I just wanted to kind of take you guys along with me in doing my hair and makeup. This is the makeup look that I'm doing today. It's kind of like a nice gold sunset. I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to makeup, but if you're interested, just keep on watching. And this is the messy hair look. There's no product in here. I just did this using one tool. It is so simple guys and I'm really excited to finally show it to you. So without further ado, if you are interested in getting this hair and makeup look for girls night or for any night, then just stay tuned and keep watching. Okay guys, so I know most of the time people do their makeup first so that their face can more or less look nice, but I always go in with doing my hair first because I tend to like get a little gross and sweaty, you know what I mean? You guys saw the kind of look we're going for. They're like very nice, loose, messy waves and they're very effortless to do. I'm just gonna bring down the first section. So I'm brushing it through with this little brush detangler thing. I'm using the Nume 32mm. I always use this one, it's my favorite. And now I'm gonna go ahead and show you the technique. You're gonna grab your piece of hair and you're gonna put the wand right in front of you and you're gonna wrap. And you're just gonna wrap twice around the barrel, leaving a big piece of your end out and leaving it straight. Gonna leave that for a couple seconds and let that go. And it gives you like a nice little wave. In the past, I used to rotate my curls. I would do one towards my face and one away. But lately, I kind of like the look of doing all of them away from my face. So same thing, just wrap it twice and leave it there for a couple seconds. So as you guys can see, when the curl is out, you don't want to touch it, you want to let it cool and set as is. But you can see that there's like a big piece of straightness going on right here at the end. But you want that, that's what gives it a very effortless look. You can do the same thing on the other side. Grabbing a little piece, you're going to want to curl twice away from your face. For my next section, I'm going to go and separate starting from my eyebrows, and I'm just going to bring that back. So for the front hair, you just want to part it as you usually do, and I tend to do it kind of in the middle, just like that. And when it comes to the top layer, my best suggestion is you want to kind of keep it straight up here, so you want to start the curl a little bit lower. So I'm going to curl it twice as I said, and then I'm just going to slide it a little bit down. And with the smaller pieces, you just want to do like one twist instead of two. So just like that, keep the little piece out. And same right here, you're just going to go around once. I'm going to let it cool as is, not going to touch it. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to start with the makeup. Okay, so I just finished washing my hands because you guys know what a germaphobe I am when it comes to touching my face. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with the makeup. So most of you guys know that I actually don't wear foundation on my skin. Even if I'm going out, I like keeping it very minimal. So I'm using my Cosmetic CC cream as I always do, and I'm actually running out. I have to go get some more. I use it in the shade medium. I'm just dotting it all over my face, and then later I'm gonna blend it in with my foundation brush. And I bring this over my eyelid as well because it kind of gets rid of all those like veins on my eyes. But I just love the CC cream so much. It's great when it comes to covering up little blemishes and scars, and it also evens out my skin tone perfectly, but it still leaves me with that like nice dewy glowy finish. So now that I applied that, I'm gonna go with a very light hand, and I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser. I heard some good things about this, but I don't know how much I like it. This may not be my perfect shade. I'm gonna do it in like little swirls right under my eyes, not too close to the crease because then it's gonna start creasing. And I'm just using this like little concealer brush just to blend that all into my under eyes. And then I'm just taking a darker concealer and covering up these little blemishes in the middle of my unibrow. Not my unibrow. I don't have a unibrow anymore. I used to when I was little, but now it's gone. Thank God it's gone. What I love to do next in order to get rid of the cakiness, I like to take my beauty blender, or beauty sponge, sorry, it's not a beauty blender, and I just spray it with some water. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that right under my under eyes or wherever I usually have creases. It's a very great way to kind of get rid of that cakiness look. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my holy grail under eye product. This is the e.l.f. Under Eye HD powder. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And they actually started selling this in bigger pans, which is perfect because I go through this so quickly. So I'm just gonna put some of that in there, tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna go and set my under eyes. So we're gonna go downtown today. It's some place called the Cactus something. We're probably just gonna grab a couple drinks, hang out, see what everyone's plans are, now that the summer is kind of starting. I already know that most of us are going to be talking about the fact that our school, well, most people go to York University, is still on strike after 2.5 months, so that's definitely going to be a topic of discussion. Oh, I'm like so frustrated, I don't even know what to tell you guys. I'm just like in the mood to put on some gold on my lids, so I'm gonna go ahead with my Naked 2 palette, and off the bat it has like such a beautiful gold shade right here. So I'm gonna first take a fluffy brush with the shade Booty Call, just a very light color, and I'm just gonna dust that all over my lid just to brighten it up just a little bit. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take some water and just spray it on the brush. I'm gonna go ahead with that gold shade. I'm gonna totally cover it with my brush and pack it right on my lid. Like, I can see it, but it's not as like sparkly as I want.
Spray water on the brush and then dip it in the shadow and then put it on your eyes.
I can see it, but like, I just can't. It's not sparkly like it is in the pan.
Yeah, Fix Plus is the best.
Oh, you're such a makeup guru. You're gonna do so well at this.
Thanks, Reem.
Okay, well, thanks for helping me. I'm gonna go in with my Toasted palette. I love this one because it smells like chocolate. And I'm probably gonna go ahead and use the Flame shade. I'm gonna just put that right into the outer V. So I'm gonna go ahead with a little tiny brush. I'm gonna go into that same Flame color, just bring the color down. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them out. For my least favorite part, I'm gonna go in with liquid eyeliner. This one is the L'Oreal Carbon Black Intense Liner. Do any of you guys ever like start your eyeliner wanting it to be really thin and then it slowly gets thicker and thicker because you keep messing it up? And I'm gonna line my bottom waterline with this white pencil because it really like brightens them up. For my mascaras, I'm gonna go in with two of my favorites. It's the Telescopic Carbon Black and then the L'Oreal Lash Paradise one for volume. Okay, so the eyes are done. Not some of my best work, but I think we can work with it. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish up the face. I'm gonna use the Tarte Clay Play Face Palette. I love this one. Also smells like chocolate. Go with this darker shade, the Terracotta, right here. And then obviously sculpt my cheekbones a bit. I'm going in with some blush now. I'm using the Milana Baked Blush in Luminoso. Oh, cult favorite, and I'm so back on it. I love it. Okay, last face final touch. I'm going in with the Tarte Skin Twinkle Highlight Palette. People say to put it here, and gurus say to put it down the nose, and then they say right here too. I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Color Ricci lip pencil in the shade Coral, and I'm just gonna line my lips. And as for the lip color, I'm just feeling red because what else says ladies night other than red? And I'm gonna be using this Velvet Matte Lip Pencil from Nars. I haven't done a red lip in time. So this is the final hair and makeup look. I didn't put any product in my hair. I just let it cool down the way it was, and then I just like play with it, especially at the roots to get some volume. But I'm really into like the whole messy beach waves look. I just think it's a perfect look for a girl's night out. Okay guys, so my whole outfit is on. Let me give you a quick look-see. So I'm trying my best to show you guys my entire outfit. This is what I'm gonna be wearing tonight. My top is actually from American Eagle. It's like fully laced and it's gorgeous, and it's such a nice like cream nude color. I'm wearing some white slacks. They're a little bit high-waisted. These are from H&M. They were also really, really cheap. But either way, guys, that's my final outfit look. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It honestly helps me out so much. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe down below to join our amazing family. I'm about to go have a really good night, so I hope you guys do too. And I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye!